I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering documents and measuring your expected load. You need ID, property deed, and lease or ownership proof to avoid delays. Next, calculate appliance KW or KVA so the utility assigns correct capacity. This prevents undersized service and extra costs. Once done, mark preferred meter location and measure distance to the nearest pole or transformer to estimate line work. Make sure to note any access constraints and take photos for the application. You now fill and submit the utility's application form with accurate owner and installer details. Include a single-line diagram and a clear load schedule so engineers assess capacity and safety. Upload site photos and meter location to speed review. After submission, pay the prescribed fee and request an on-site inspection. Inspectors verify clearances and equipment placement. Make sure to confirm contact info so the utility can schedule the inspection and request corrections without holding up approval. You arrange a licensed electrician to install the service drop, meter base, and panel per the utility-approved plan. Once installation is complete, request the final inspection. Inspectors check grounding, breakers, and clearances to ensure safety. After passing, the utility installs the meter and energizes the supply. If anything fails, document the inspector's notes, correct issues promptly, and request reinspection. Key troubleshooting tip: if no power after energizing, verify main.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.